sir. I'll be right with you. Just finished washing up. All right. Good afternoon. How are you today? Good. My name is Vaughn, student physical therapist. I'm working with you today.
Okay.
So I was looking at your chart and I understand that you recently finished up some manual lymph drainage therapy. Is this true?
Yes.
Excellent. And I noticed from your chart that the swelling in your arm had been reduced significantly.
Yes.
So the purpose of compression therapy is to maintain those effects. It will help from fluid reaccumulating back in your arm, and it'll also help in the pumping action of our muscles, which again assists with fluids flowing through your body in a proper way. Does it sound like something you're interested in?
Yes.
Awesome. Well, I just have a few more questions to ask to make sure you are a proper candidate. Do you have any history of cancer?
No.
Do you have any heart problems that you're aware of? Any heart diseases, I should say?
No.
No? Are you a diabetic?
No.
Okay. Do you have any DVTs that you're aware of?
No.
Okay. Well, you seem like to be a proper candidate. Now I just need to do a skin integrity test on you. In order to do that, I will have to touch you. Do you have your permission?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay. I'm going to roll your sleeve up here, sir.
Okay.
And again, I'm just checking, and I'll check both just to be sure here. For any open wounds, any signs of infection, any rashes, seem good here, good here. Excellent. Now what I want you to do is close your eyes, and I'm going to brush your skin lightly, and if you feel it, just say yes, okay?
Okay.
Close your eyes for me, sir.
Yes. 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 Yes.
All right, you can open your eyes. Excellent. So you do have proper sensation, so I'm going to go ahead and begin with the therapy, okay? So first what we do is put on, as we did earlier, put on the hypoallergenic lotion. And every time you do this, or any time you go to apply the compression, you need to do that first, okay? So now that we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and put the stocking net on you. Thank you, sir. And you want this to be about 2 finger lengths from the axilla, which is the armpit area. So put my 2 fingers here, roll it up to there. And anytime you go to wash this, you're gonna wanna wash it with cold water and then air dry it, all right?
Okay.
All right, so again, 2 finger lengths right there. We're gonna leave this here so I can start off. First, what you're wanting to do is start off wrapping your fingers, okay? You wanna keep it away from any of the bony prominence, which is right here at your wrist. You want to start off here, and you want to keep off of that because they have a better chance of breaking down that skin integrity. Then you want to start off with your pinky, starting at the end. Okay. You want to come up, cover about half the fingernail. Then go to the next finger here. Covering again half the fingernail. Make sure you get a wraps around. Then I'm going to start with the second one where you leave off, okay? So I'm just going to kind of rewrap that. Again, trying to keep off that bony prominence there. Go ahead and put your palm up for me, sir. I want to make sure that I'm keeping off the palm, which if you can go ahead and turn it all the way around for me if you can. Excellent. Just want to be sure that it's clear you can see that we are staying off the palm. Wonderful. Okay, go ahead and turn your arm. Thank you, sir. And then even when you have extra, you just want to go back to the beginning. All right, excellent. Now we can go ahead and put that on, making sure we're still here. Well, now we're going to apply the next, just want to make sure everything's good here. Apply the next layer, which is our cotton.
Okay.
And so what you're wanting to do with this is roll all the way up. We're trying to make an equal cylinder. So all the way up. And this is a protective barrier as well, and it's going to ensure that we have an equal size cylinder cone going up your arm, okay?
Okay.
Then as I get towards your elbow here, you want to go up and do what we call the figure 8.
Okay.
This is going to allow you to be able to keep that bend in your arm so you can still do daily activities, just feeding yourself. And
Okay.
I'm sure that's something that you would definitely like to keep doing. And want to try to make sure that this is all about the same size. Definitely want to, again, make sure that everything's cylindrical and even, okay?
Okay.
If you would, now I'm done with this, I want to see, can you still bend your arm? Take your arm to it?
Yes.
Excellent, okay. So now we're going to go ahead and apply the short stretch bandages.
Okay.
And that's what you want to start off with first. Always, this will apply the greatest amount of pressure at the furthest end of your arm. As we go up, you want to put less and less pressure, okay?
Okay.
Come through your thumb there. All right, can you make a fist for me and put it in my chest? Come a little closer for you, you're good. Then you want to apply, each time you go around, you want to go about, we'll call about 50% coverage. You want to try to cover about half of the bandage before it, okay?
Okay.
And remember that key concept of greater pressure furthest away and less pressure as you go closer up your arm, which is getting closer to your heart. in keeping with the short stretch. And as I go towards that elbow again, back to that figure 8.
Okay.
That way it's going to allow you to bend your arm throughout the day as needed. Grab some long stretch bandages now. Keep your arm straight for me, sir. It's nice and firm, not too tight. Can you go ahead and bend your elbow as you can feed yourself? Excellent. Now let me go ahead and see the tips of your fingers here. Can you go ahead and move them for me? Wiggle them. Does this feel good and secure? I'm going to look to check to make sure that your fingers aren't getting blue or pale, like that. All right, excellent. Now, as far as this goes, sir, at any point, if you do start feeling tingling or any blue or pale on your fingers, you need to go ahead and remove it, okay? And again, if this does happen while you're at the house and you feel as though you can't get back to this place, call me and we can get together and I can reapply this. Any other questions before we get done for the day?
No.
All right, well, thank you, sir. We'll see you next time.
Okay, thank you.